Hi Tia, this is Mary. Um, so I'm at home, but I thought I've been out of town, I've been traveling a lot, I've been having a lot of things going on, but we are going to get you signed up. There's no one else, getting into the class right now. I have it closed down except for there is space for you, so no worries there. Um, so if you want to log into My Info, you can go to the MSU Northern website, which is msun.edu. That's the URL for it. And then if you go to current students up here in this little menu, you can click there. And then you can go to My Info here. And then log into My Info using your NetID. So if you don't have a NetID, you can set one up with IT. I think you can maybe even do it here. So it says don't know your NetID. You can reclaim your NetID here. So you might want to go through this process and get a NetID. If you have trouble with that, you may have to come in and talk to somebody about your NetID at the MSU Northern. They're more than willing to help you there. I don't know a lot about the NetID. It's not really my thing. But I think you might be able to do this and get it without having to come on campus, but you'll just have to see. So you can log in. Once you get that NetID, you can log in using your NetID, and it's basically the username for it is typically a combination of like letters and numbers, much like this. This is mine, my personal NetID. So my computer app has it saved. So, and then you enter your password and log in, and here you are logged in. And then you can go to Student Services here, and then Registration. And then you can look up, I think you can look up your schedule here, student schedule by day and time. And this will show you if you're registered for classes. And this is from 2004, because this is when I was a student a while ago. But so if you actually put in a date here, a good date to put in, just go ahead and put in 09, which is September, and then put in 1st, and then 2021. Okay, yeah, and then submit that. It'll show you, what your weekly schedule is, and that class that you're signed up for, GDSN 231, will show up on Thursday and Tuesday once you're actually signed up for it. Currently today you're not, but I do have this email from you. So it says go ahead and sign me up for the class. So I'm going to print this out at my office today, fill out a little bit of paperwork, turn that in. So I'm guessing by the end of the week you will be signed up for this course. So sorry for the late reply. I was out of town. I went to Whitefish. But, the summer is just kind of a busy time for me. So obviously during the school year I am way more present, but I do try to take advantage of the summer and do some traveling. So I'm going to send you this email, send you the link to this video, and I hope that answers some of your questions. Let me know if you need help with anything else, but like I said, I'm going to get that paperwork turned in today, and I'm going to get you signed up more than likely by the end of the week, and you can log in to My Info using your NetID if you need to check and see if you're signed up for that course. I'll check and see as well, but I'm sure there won't be once I get that paperwork in. It takes a couple days to process, but there shouldn't be any problem with it. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day, good week, and see you later.